You can get some of this whole thing. Sterile, very sterile. Gavage. Like to squeeze it. So get juicy. I like to, taste it to make sure it's salty enough. So I recommend you all do that. Just like this. And you taste it just like this. Salty. If you like it spicy, you can add a little crushed red pepper, or so I got some really good Italian seasoning. I kind of like that. Make it like an Italian sauerkraut. But we're gonna go with a classic today. A classic dill sauerkraut. And I think that needs a little more dill to me personally. So I'll put a little bit more. So I'll put probably about 2 teaspoons of dill in there. All right, now, last step, y'all. This is the best part. I did not say that this was a clean. And we're gonna mash again. Start mashing it in, just like that. And I hope to get all this sauerkraut in here. It's ambitious. Depending on the weather and all that, you're a hot line, it'll get in quicker. There. Come on over here, take a look at this. You see that? Woo! That is what you're looking for right there. Okay? So now, browning on the top. And it'll hold it down into your liquid. And there you go. Keep that on the counter 3 to 5 days to 7 days even. In cold climates you might can go a little longer, and it's kind of up to your taste, to your liking. But when you see it bubbling and water's coming into your burper, then it's probably getting really close to ready, and you can take it and put it in the refrigerator and enjoy it with anything you want, except maybe like cake.
1 week later.
Let's check out the crunch factor on your homemade sauerkraut. We already smelled it. So good. Come take a look. Yeah. And you'll see this is not very juicy. You can not use a little burper if you really want to keep your juice in, but it does tend to kind of like get pressurized that way. But I kind of like this because it stays really crunchy like this. And there's juice at the bottom. You can see there's plenty of juice. And as you get further in, you'll get more juice. But if you like yours juicy, don't put a burper. And let's go ahead and check out the crunch factor of this sauerkraut. Here we go. Pick up after myself there. Okay. Are you guys ready? You can hear it? Mmm. Mmm. This sauerkraut is amazing. And to think you save so much money by making it yourself. Be quiet, Ralph. Just a minute. Let's finish the sauerkraut, babe. I know you're gonna save lots of money by making this sauerkraut at home. I hope you guys enjoy this sauerkraut as much as me and my family do. I'll see you guys next time. Food is medicine.